Hello all my viewers around the globe, this is Simaligas. For today's video, I want to show you a Binance wallet. I want to give you a full tutorial on how you can use a wallet on Binance. So this feature is one of the easiest thing that you can use, and it is a detailed thing that Binance did. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any video. So let's dive into the video. You come in Binance. So if you don't have a Binance account, please just go in my description below. You'll find that link and you open a Binance account. You come here on wallet and you click. There is a lot of things. There is overview, spot, margin, futures, and so many and so forth. So we are going to go one by one and see exactly how all of them they work. So let's start with overview. So under overview, that's where you're going to find all the wallets that you would like to know. So here on wallet, there is a lot, yes, fine. There is all the things concerning the wallet. But here on overview, you will find only those things that concerning with money or concerning with wallet. So here you're going to find a lot of things. There is transaction. So let's go one by one. So let's start with fiat and spot. So under fiat and spot, this is where you're going to find the fiat money. I mean the money that is always used. This is euro, the currency that you're using in your country. And the spot wallet, this means that all the money including crypto and everything, as you can go back here, you can see all the currency that you have will be included on spot. This is where you're going to find all the money on spot. There is a lot of things that you can find on fiat and spot. There is deposit, withdraw, send and transfer, transaction history, all of those things. So this is where you're going to find all the money that you have on spot or on any coin that you have, specifically coins. This is where you're going to find your crypto and coins and fiat. So when you go to margin, so under margin, this is where you're going to trade with leverages. So there is cross, of course, and isolated. So under isolated, this is where you're going to find the money. Exactly what you use is what you're going to use. It does not change. But when you come on cross, of course, if you don't know how to use all of those things, just go on my channel and you look on this very video. It is there, the difference between cross and isolated. All of these things, they are there. You can find all of these ones, but majorly with margin, we trade with leverages. So this money on here, the money that you're going to find here, it will be on leverages. So this is how leverage or margin works. So under future here, you're going to find only those USD perpetuals and the coin perpetuals. If you want one of them, you can use them. So you can use like those coins under USDT, like BTC, all the pairs concerning USDT. This is where you're going to find futures exactly if you want to trade them. So you can transfer if you don't have amount that you can use for trading on futures. You can convert and you can buy crypto as well on the same agenda of futures. So let's go to options. So under options, you're going to find a lot of things, but majorly these are the things concerning with USDT. Actually, they are not so different from margins, but with options you can see the position and the assets. The difference is not too much because all of these ones, they are leverages trading, but somehow different. If you want to know more about options and margin, the difference, I'll make a video about all of these ones. So let's go to rebalancing bot. Rebalancing bot is majorly here with bot issues. So if you have been using bot money, so this is where you're going to find the balance and all the things concerning that. Let's go to funding. Funding, this is where you're going to find the amount of money that you have received from pair to pair, or the money that you have bought directly as fiat or as a coin or anything. So this is where you're going to find. But majorly on Binance, funding, majorly we use it when we receive money from pay to pay. So these are the coins that you can receive, of course, from pay to pay. So these are the pays and the gifts, all this money that you can find on funding money. So let's go and so this is the account where you're going to find the staking amount If you stake, this is where you're going to find earnings, Binance earnings, simple earnings, liquidity farming, all of those things you're going to find in earnings. If at all you have been staking, you're going to find this money. You want to fix or earn products, this is the account where you're going to find your money before you transfer it to any account that you want to use it from. So there is other things that you can find on wallet. There is transaction history. So if you want a transaction history, of course you come here, you will see all the details concerning. If you want to change bybit to years or 90 days, you can see all the asset status and even the transaction ID. You can see, do you want deposit, withdraw, auto deduction, auto funding, areas of repayment, all of those things you're going to find them in transaction. All the transaction that you have made in 90 days, they will be here depending on the time frame that you have selected. Another thing, you can find account statement. So when you under account statement, this is where you're going to find the exact time when you made that transaction and all things concerning those ones. So you're going to find the spot statement and the total value, the overview of it. So this is where you're going to find all the things. Even the account that sent you money, you're going to find in account statement. So if you want to verify, of course, every transaction, you can come here and you verify exactly. So this is how it looks. Once you make a transaction, you can come and verify that I'm the one as proof of results, verification. So that's all with wallet. It has a lot of things. If you want more about the details, just subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any video. Bye for today. Good luck.